There is a room within you filled with echoes, voices from yesterday, snapshots of moments that have long since passed. It's a place we all visit, sometimes intentionally. Sometimes we just find ourselves there, standing at the window, watching the rain fall on a life we once lived. Your past deserves this acknowledgement. It asks to be seen, to be understood, not to be erased. But it was never meant to be your permanent residence. Look at the stories scattered across the table of your memory, each one a thread in the tapestry of who you are. The past shaped you, it taught you, it humbled you. It gave you scars that speak of resilience and laughter lines that tell of joy. These experiences are your foundation, the soil from which you've grown. But a foundation is meant to support a house, not be the entire home. Reflection is healthy, a quiet conversation with the person you used to be. But living there endlessly is heavy. It's like wearing a weighted coat in the warmth of a new day, a constant, tiring burden that keeps you from standing tall. The past should not imprison you. So, how do you honor memory, but stay present? You begin with your breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, right here, right now. This single, simple act is an anchor to the present moment. Notice the light as it filters through the leaves on your walk. Hear the distant city sounds, the rhythm of your own footsteps on the pavement. These are the textures of today. Gently close the book on yesterday's chapters. Not to forget them, but to give yourself permission to start a new page. The story isn't over. A blank page is waiting. It's an invitation. Let today have its own space. Let it have its own light, its own sounds, its own challenges and triumphs. The past has had its turn. Now it's time for the present. Welcome it. Breathe it in. This moment is yours.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.